TikTok shop got me again. I saw this, I saw the price, I was like, I gotta get that, gotta check it out. You may have seen here on the Doug and Nick channel, we've done a ton of power banks, all the ones from the ones that plug right into the wall, that you charge with USB, and solar power banks. In fact, we actually went to the Amazon with a set of solar power banks, and it actually worked out quite well. So I thought I needed to test this one out, see if it's legit. All right, I will tell you now that it's out of the box that it's seeming pretty legit to me. Comes with a USB-C charging cable, which is great. Let's see what the USB out or still USB-A out. The USB-C is for charging it. It has lights. Let's see if it came with any charge. Okay, so it happened to come charged. I got 3 bars here. It's nice that it does have that indicator so you can see if you're going to charge it outside in the sun, there is a green indicator so you know when it's charging in the sun. Let's check out the lights. Let's see how they work. Ooh, there they go. Obviously, this is not like a survival light thing that you want to go out on a big camping trip on, but if you're camping and you want to see something up close, or you were tying a knot or something, perfect for that. It does come with a little carabiner on there so you could hook it onto your belt or a belt loop, something like that. You don't have to physically carry it. And then finally, in case you're lost in the woods, it has a compass so you can guide yourself out of the woods. I'm pretty sure nobody has ever used this for the compass. Compass does work. But, well, turns, I don't know how accurate it is. In any way, let's not rely on the compass for our lives, but let's rely on this for power. 10,000 milliamps is about the equivalent of like a modern big phone, like an iPhone 15 or my Samsung S23 Ultra, something like that. They're a little more than that, but basically you could charge them once with this. Other smaller phones like an iPhone 13, you could probably charge twice with this, that kind of stuff, which is really good. It is only 2 amps out, so it's going to take a long time to charge it, but it is going to keep you alive. Like if you're going on a trip, you're going to be on the plane for hours and hours, this is a great way to keep some power going. Hey, if this was helpful, give us a like and follow us. We'll see you next time.